In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up Stripe Checkout. Start by accessing your Stripe dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to Product Catalog from the menu. In the Product Catalog section, choose one of your existing products. If you do not already have a product available, click Create Product and enter the product information, including the pricing, billing period, images, and description. Once the product details have been completed, continue to the next step. Next, go to Payment Links. You can access it from the Shortcuts section, or you can click the Create button represented by the plus icon in the top right corner. From the available options, select Payment Links. When the Payment Links page opens, you'll see an option to choose the type. Select either product or subscription, depending on the checkout page you want to create. You'll also see sections for the payment page and the after payment page. In the product selection area, choose the product you want to use for the checkout page. After selecting the product, set the quantity. In this example, the quantity is set to 1, but you can configure it as needed. If you want customers to adjust the quantity themselves, enable the option that allows them to change the quantity during checkout. You can also add another product if you want multiple products included on the same checkout page. Next, review the available customer information settings. If needed, enable the option to collect customer addresses. You can also require customers to provide a phone number by enabling that setting. Once those options are configured, move to the After Payment section. Here, you can choose to display a confirmation page after the purchase is completed. If you want to customize the confirmation message, replace the default message with your own custom message. You'll also have the option to connect or split the payment with a connected account if required. In the Post-Payment Invoice section, you can choose to create an invoice PDF. Review that option and enable it if you want invoices generated after payment. After reviewing all of the checkout settings, click Create Link. Stripe will then generate your checkout link. Once the link is created, you'll see it available and ready to use. If you prefer to use a buy button instead of sharing the direct checkout link, select the buy button option. Stripe will provide the code for the button. Copy the code and place it where you want the button to appear. You can also view the preview before using it. If you're using the checkout link, copy the generated link and open it to view the checkout page. You should now see the completed Stripe checkout page with the product details and checkout form ready for customers. And that's how to set up Stripe Checkout by creating a product, generating a payment link, configuring the checkout settings, and creating a checkout page or buy button for your product. Thank you for watching.